Hey, I'm Aria. Let's make Excel. Today, two random functions, RAND and RANDBETWEEN. RAND gives you a decimal between 0 and 1. RANDBETWEEN gives you a whole number between any two limits. Combine them with other functions and you can pick random rows, random Pokémon, anything. 5 real examples coming up. First up, the simplest random formula. Type equals RAND, open paren, close paren, hit enter. No arguments, just the two parens. RAND returns a decimal between 0 and 1, never quite reaching 1. We get 0.2632. Hit F9 to recalculate and you get a brand new random number. RAND is volatile, so every recalc generates a new value. Now we scale RAND to any range. We want a decimal between 20 and 35. The trick is RAND times the size of the range, plus the minimum. Type equals RAND, open paren, close paren, times open paren, 35 minus 20, close paren, plus 20. Hit enter. RAND gives a 0 to 1 multiplier, times 15 gives 0 to 15, plus 20 gives 20 to 35. We land on 21.6608. Same idea, but we want a whole number. We wrap the scaled RAND in int, which strips the decimal. We want integers from 5 to 54, a span of 50. Type equals int, open paren, RAND, open paren, close paren, times 50, close paren, plus 5, hit enter. RAND times 50 gives 0 to 49.99. int chops to 0 to 49, plus 5 lands us on 5 to 54. Result, 27. Now RANDBETWEEN, the easier way for whole numbers. We want a random row number from 1 to however many Pokémon we have. Type equals RANDBETWEEN, open paren, 1 for the minimum, comma, rows, open paren, click the name column to get data underscore RANDBETWEEN square bracket name, close paren, hit enter. Rows counts the rows in the name column, 14, so RANDBETWEEN picks any integer from 1 to 14. We get 1. Last one, the power combo. We wrap that row number in index to actually pull a name. Type equals index, open paren, data underscore RANDBETWEEN, square bracket, name for the array, comma, RANDBETWEEN, open paren, 1, comma, rows, open paren, the same name column, close paren, hit enter. RANDBETWEEN picks a row number, index grabs the Pokémon at that row. We get *U, completely random, regenerates every recalc. So that's RAND and RANDBETWEEN, two random functions for different jobs. RAND gives you a decimal between 0 and 1, and you scale it with simple arithmetic to any range you need. RANDBETWEEN handles whole numbers directly between any two limits. Both are volatile, meaning they regenerate on every recalc, so press F9 to refresh. Pair them with index, int, or any other function, and you can build random pickers, sampling tools, or simulations. That's how you make Excel. And if you want to take your RAND formulas and turn them into a web app your whole team can use from any browser, check out SpreadsheetWeb. Your formulas, your logic, live on the web with no coding required. Link is below.